growing mountain laurel, Kalmia latifolia, can bring beauty and elegance to your garden with its captivating flowers and glossy foliage. This native evergreen shrub is known for its resilience and ability to thrive in various conditions. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you successfully grow mountain laurel in your garden. Planting. Choose a suitable location. Mountain laurel thrives in partial shade to full sun, although it prefers some protection from intense afternoon sun. Planting time. Spring or early fall is the best time to plant mountain laurel. Ensure the soil is well draining and slightly acidic. Soil. Mountain laurel prefers moist, well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. Amend heavy clay soil with compost or peat moss to improve drainage and fertility. Conduct a soil test to determine the pH level. Aim for a slightly acidic pH range of around 5.0 to 6.0. Watering. During the first year, provide regular watering to establish the shrub. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Once established, mountain laurel is relatively drought tolerant. However, it benefits from supplemental watering during prolonged dry periods. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the shrub, leaving space around the stem. Mulching helps conserve soil moisture, regulate soil temperature, and suppress weed growth. Avoid piling mulch against the stem to prevent moisture-related issues. Pruning. Minimal pruning is required for mountain laurel. Remove any dead, damaged, or crossing branches in late winter or early spring. Light shaping can be done after flowering to maintain a desired form. Fertilization. Mountain laurel generally does not require heavy fertilization. However, you can apply a slow-release, balanced fertilizer formulated for acid-loving plants in early spring. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for appropriate application rates to avoid over-fertilization. By following these care instructions, you can enjoy the beauty of mountain laurel in your garden. Its unique flowers, glossy foliage, and evergreen nature will enhance the visual appeal of your landscape while attracting pollinators.